Completely PC-free method. An easy and quick way for those people so that they want to recover their cell phone. As we can see here, we have this device with that. A little padlock, which we're going to explain everything to you in detail. Where you'll be able to recover it without needing to use a PC. We also have a different method without a PC and a method using a PC. The video description and in the first pinned comment for those who also want to try other methods can do so. Also, let us know in the comments if this method worked for you and on which model. Did it work for you? And if it hasn't worked yet, perhaps you're not getting the error message. We're going to use this in today's video. Tell us what we're going to do so we can help you. What we need to do is connect to a Wi-Fi network so we can start recovering the device. The easiest and fastest way is to connect to a Wi-Fi network. We're going to get to where that block appears on the screen and where that Google account appears. We'll click here where it says accept and continue. We'll wait a few seconds. Let's wait here for a few seconds, okay? We're going to use a series of configurations where we will be explaining step by step so that you can do it too, and it might work correctly for you. Sometimes several people skip ahead in the video tutorial and you miss some details. Good for those people if it doesn't work for them. I recommend you watch the video again so that it should work correctly for you, because the idea here is that it should work for you. We're going to click here where it says, use my Google account. Sometimes we do those things we planned ahead and it works for us. So we're going to click where it says, forget Gmail, and write this here. We click next, we also write here. We click next, we'll do this for 30 seconds. After those 30 seconds we will go back. Let's do it. We'll do it. Next, next, next and next. Next, next and next. We'll do it again, and now what we're going to do is return it. We click back, we click back. We click back. We click here on Motorola and privacy. We go back, the last option. We click here on motorola.com/support /. This section would take us here. We click here, on this profile, now that we're here. Now that we're here, let's try Motorola and make it give us an error. You'll see, you'll click here on share. We're going to do this option several times. We click on share here, we click to the side. Mistakes are like this. We set them aside, we do it again, we share. Let's do it again, share again. We'll share it, share it. We're going to do this several times. In some options it happens immediately, in others it usually. Oh yes, you can see that it came up here. The error, but it immediately showed me. It wasn't long in the first video when I tried it with one of these devices. It took me about 80 tries and I had to restart it and do it again, but this time it worked correctly. What are we going to do? We're going to select Google Chrome here, and then click Use without a Google account, here. No thanks. Now what we're going to do is right here. You're going to write it exactly as it appears here on screen. They will write here. I'll show you. You'll write exactly what appears here on the screen, if you see it. Now that you are here, you are going to do the following. They will select this option that appears here. You're going to select it and then it will take you to this section. You're going to click Accept here, and what you're going to do is go down. You're going to scroll down. You're going to the last options. You're going to click here. It says See More or Load More. And you're going to go to the last options here. You're going to click where it says Load More. Then this little padlock will appear here. You're going to select it, select it. After you select it, you'll see Unlock This Now, here, where it says Screen Lock. You're going to select it, if you can see this one that says The screen lock is the one we're going to use. We're going to give you a screen lock here, so, since we have a pattern. Yes, I think it was a pattern we had, like we have a pattern. To avoid confusion, we'll use a pin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, I think it was a pattern. Yes, well, let's click next. 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to click here to confirm. Let's confirm it now. You're going to say yes here. You tell him yes, you tell him here. Okay, you're left with this blank screen. What you're going to do is click here to go back. Now what you're going to do is click here on delete. Now that it's completely deleted, click back. Now this leads us to this option. What are we going to do now? Okay, let's click back. Click here where it says accept and continue. You're going to click here to accept and continue. Now it will take us to our section. For those people for whom it hasn't worked yet. Okay, leave us a comment so we can help you. And so that you can fix and recover your cell phone. Because this process works 100%, and leave us for those people. If these methods work for you, let us know in the comments which model you used. It worked correctly for us to know, and it's very important to know. Now that you have it here, we've changed the pattern. We're going to enter the screen lock password that we added there. Then I added 1, 2, 3 and 4 was the one I added. We'll click Next here and you'll see the result. You'll see what the padlock is here. It would automatically delete us. Now it takes us here. Here if you want you can add an account. To create an account, I'm going to click here on Skip. I'll click Skip. I'm not going to add any accounts or anything like that. Here it will ask for the screen lock again. You turn it back on and enter it. You click here. If you want you can add a fingerprint. I'm not going to add one. I'm going to click Cancel here. Now we're here. We click Accept. We click here on OK and that's it. We're done. Concluding this recovery process. We click here on Skip. We click Next. We click Next. Next, we're going to give it to you now. Ending like this would take us directly back to the beginning. A completely unrecoverable device. So,